We'll go ahead and go to the checkout links and either create a new link or select a link from a page that's already existing. This one, for example, we'll use, it has the products on it, some social proof. We'll scroll up to the top and we'll make note of what the URL is, as that will be the reference that we'll use for the funnel moving forward. So in the Merchant Portal, go over to the Funnels tab and we'll create a brand new funnel from scratch. There's a lot of options in here, so we'll go through them a little bit quickly, but you can choose when a funnel shows any criteria or all of the criteria that you're going to list down here based on what it contains, and selecting any of the products that you have. You can sort by name to try and choose which ones you want to show up. When the cart is equal to or less than a specific value, you can put that in there. It can trigger when a product category is set up, or if there's any tags that you have, or if the product count is equal to or less than a specific number as well. For our purposes, we'll go ahead and use the checkout links, as I find that to be the easiest way to know exactly what's associating. So this is the Juliet 89BA. So we'll go ahead and select that and just double check that that's the right URL. Excellent. And we'll move on to the next button, where you can choose the products that are going to be displayed in the funnel after when somebody is going through this purchasing process. So we'll select our products from the drop-down list and then associate to them the specific discounts, either fixed or percentage. So for our purposes, we'll go ahead and choose a 10% just across the board to make it easy. And we can adjust, if we wanted to, some of the variants, if we wanted to restrict it by size or color based on how you have these products set up. For this one, we can change the size, but for now we'll leave these all open, make them all 10% across the board, and go to the next phase, where we can choose if we want this to be only pre or only post-purchase, or if we want it to show up in both of the funnels. You can update the title so that it pops up with something enticing and then something a little bit smaller as well. This is a paragraph text, so if you wanted to add in another area for a little bit more details, you can put that right on here. Changing up the color, once again, we're back to that no code page builder type of settings. So you can see there's no code to just customize this and make it look how you want. We can change the duration for the number of minutes that this offer is going to run for, and then of course give yourself a name so you can easily go back and reference the funnel. Here we can choose the priorities, so you can choose from the priority list where you want this to be, either the first thing or later on, depending on how you have this set up in your back end. And then from there, you're all set and it's ready to go.